Why is online listing in business directories important for a pool cleaning company like yours? You know, your services are good. Your customers know you are good. But how does anyone else, like your potential new pool building customers, know you are the best for them, unless you are listed, where they can find you? How can you let them know, in low-cost ways, that you are one of the best in the business, an industry leader? Being listed in a business directory has many tangible advantages, the results of which you could reap in a short time. 1. Being listed in a business directory increases your online visibility. Why your online visibility is important. You will learn here how to do that in easy, inexpensive ways, and get started to tap into 12 benefits of being easily seen as the best by your potential new customers. There are 12 benefits to your business that come at an affordable rate when you list your business in an online business directory. When you follow the ideas listed here, you will gain 1. High online visibility. Listing your business in a business directory such as bestlistsus.com gives you high online visibility to the right and exact audience looking for your services, searching for exactly what you have to offer them, and how you can help them today. High online visibility of your business directly translates to more potential, ready-to-pay pool building customers, becoming aware of how good you are and how you can help them. Directory listings help potential customers find your business and help you reach new audiences so that your business can grow effortlessly. 2. Improved SEO. Many online business directory listings have high domain authority on search engines. This means you get respect from the search engines simply by connecting with high authority sites such as business directory listings. Having your website listed can thus increase your own website's domain authority via backlinks, thereby improving your website's SEO. A nice gain for a few bucks as opposed to the thousands it actually costs for SEO. 3. Increased website traffic. By listing your website on these platforms, you can drive more traffic to your site. Users of these platforms who are interested in your services will often click through to your website for more information. This increases the traffic to your website. Thus you start seeing more appointments and visits to your business when you are listed in a business directory. We help our listed clients track their website traffic as a free service. If you like what you see so far, you want to find a way to get your hands on the rest of the 9+ advantages you will get from being listed in a business directory via the easy-to-consume video book we are giving you below, for free. Tell us below where to send your free video book today. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia signing off.